What's up guys, this is Trader CJ. Today I want to show you an indicator that most people in the trading industry uses, and that is the VWAP, the volume weighted average price. It's a trading indicator that helps traders and investors understand the average price at which a particular asset has traded over a specific period, weighted by the trading volume during that period. VWAP is commonly used by both institutional and retail traders to make trading decisions, particularly in intraday trading. Here's how VWAP works and how to use it in trading. So first of all, I want to show you how to install it on your TradingView platform. So if you go to indicators and you type in VWAP, it will show under technicals volume weighted average price. So there's also a description on how, if you want to understand how it's calculated, so you can click on that. It will open up your volume weighted average price as a technical analysis tool used to measure the average price weighted by volume. There's a calculus, 5 ways to how they calculate it, but the most commonly used one is this high, low, and close divided by 3. That's the most commonly used calculation on VWAP. The other ones, it will show you also it's very similar in terms of how it's calculated, but it might vary in price a little bit. But if you use an indicator and everyone is using it, I think it's better to look at the same instrument or the same value calculation that everyone looks at. It would be more significant in terms of price reaction or an indication of where price might go. So you can also read through all of these and see how it's a summary inputs and how to use everything. But if you open up your VWAP, apply it to your chart, it automatically adds a first standard deviation line onto your chart. So if you open up, you can see there's typically 3 bands they add, so you can apply that if you want to. 3 bands. The middle line, that's this line here, that's the volume weighted average price indicator in its raw sense. So if you take it away, right, so if you only look at the VWAP line, this is now this blue line on the chart. So the current instrument I have open is the Nasdaq on the 1 minute, for example, and it's set to the RTH, regular trading hours. So the market opens at 9:30 and it closes around 4 p.m. the stocks, US stock market. So you can see how the Nasdaq moves back to VWAP, bounces off it, and then again there's another bounce off VWAP, how it traded around VWAP here, trades through it here, again bounce it on the VWAP. So you can see there's definitely something around the VWAP level and price that's very significant. So even if you put it on the ETH or electronic trading hours and you look at the time now, how it respects this VWAP level. So you can, there's another rejection there, a rejection there, also price turned around there, and there's something happening here, how price moves around the VWAP. Even if you go back to the previous days time where you can see this ETH VWAP is slightly different than the RTH. It bounced off that level, but both are important in terms of looking at how it trades. So even if you open a stock like Tesla, for example, and you look how it traded around VWAP. So the market opened there, dropped, bounced back above VWAP, made a support, found support around VWAP here, bounced off away from it, again bounced on VWAP, trading higher, and later that day, around 10 past 3, it also found support around VWAP and then rallied into the close. So you can, it's a nice indicator to use for building a strategy around even bounces of it, like finding support or even rejection, like doing short trades below VWAP or long trades above VWAP, even putting a trend line, just waiting for confirmation and see how it trades. Like for example, if you put that trend line there, so it found support here, just waiting for a trend line break, so you're only going to take the long trade above VWAP, also waiting for the second confirmation on the break of the trend line, and you take the long trade away from the VWAP. For example, some trade strategies where people or traders basically return, like they take the trade back to VWAP, so it's the opposite. It's more like a counter reversion strategy. It's like a mean reversion indicator. They may anticipate that the price will revert to the VWAP line after deviating significantly from it. So it's far away from VWAP. They will try to take a short trade back to this VWAP level. But it's also, it can be risky. You need to just forget your money management rules, because this can happen where the price just keeps on going and dropping and never returning back to VWAP in that specific day. For example, that was the 22nd of September, Friday, this afternoon session, where the price just dropped and never returned to VWAP. So, but you can see how it rejected this VWAP price there and just dropped. There's a few places where it bounced and rejected. Right guys, so this is definitely something to look at, and one of the indicators I'm using on my charts just to get an idea or feel of the market direction or market trend. So, and because having too much on indicators on your charts can be a problem, so having one specific indicator like the VWAP can help you a lot in terms of determining the trend or getting a feel of the market. Right, another thing, if you want to open an account and start trading, definitely look at funded prop firms giving you access to trading capital, like TakeProfittrader. They fund future traders, so they still have that 50% sale running. You need to use the code CC50, or you can find the links in the description below, so you can look at the evaluation programs that's available. The 50k, for example, it's currently priced at $85 per month, and you can sign up, and that's a profit target, $3,000 that you need to reach. You can trade up to 6 minis or 60 micros, and a daily loss limit of $1,100, end of day drawdown of $2,000. And once you pass this evaluation, you can get a funded live funded account with them. That's they call it the pro account. It's also environment is also a sim environment. So if you go to Pro Plus, that's an actual live environment you trade. The profit split is 80-20. You can have up to a maximum of 3 contracts. It's what's the best, one of the one of the best companies out there to trade with. And yeah, definitely look at them and go to their website, and you can see the link in the description, and check it out, sign up one of these guys. There's multiple platforms you can use, either CQG data feed or Rhythmic data feed. You can use the Ninja Trader or TradingView, TradeIFY. And if you actually want to use CFDs, you can look at Funded Trading Plus. They also have, if you want to use, for example, a MetaTrader 4 or 5, you can look at their programs. They've also got a 10% sale on those. For example, if you look at the 50k, they increased it to 60k. That's a $349. That's a once-off fee, so there's no activation fees. There's nothing else. If you paid that, that's completely done, and you can take your time to pass the account, and you can go through their details. Also, the link in the description below. Check it out. Definitely one of these two companies, Funded Trading Plus and TakeProfitTrader, the best in the industry what I've seen so far. Right guys, good luck with your trading. See you in the next one. Cheers.